What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today I'm coming back to you with another quick unboxing video. I don't think this one is a knife. I think this one might be something else. I don't know. We're going to find out together here. So, of course, I'm going to be sharing my first impressions reaction from this video. Doing the honors here, we got the Kizer Smolt. I recently unboxed this one in the channel, so if you haven't seen it yet, definitely make sure to check it out. Of course, this knife, what's in this box, and every other product you see in this video will be linked down below. So if you want to check prices, availability, variants, all that good stuff, all those links are down there. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and cut through the box here. Right. This nice little fixed blade here, 3V, putting in some work. Really been loving carrying this bad boy. But without further ado, oh man, I thought it wasn't a knife, but it turns out, I lied. It was definitely a knife. It's a Kizer knife. It looks to be a smaller knife. This is the Kizer Nice Guy pocket knife on what seems to be the smallest Kizer box I've noticed or I've seen to date. So let's go ahead and get it open here. By the way, in case you didn't know, these packages were delivered yesterday and it was pouring rain. That's why the box is a little bit wet here. I didn't notice that they were delivered until pretty late at night. So yeah, just been trying to go through them here as quickly as I can. Again, the model on this one is the Nice Guy, right? So let's check out this Nice Guy over here. All right, just a moment. We got the wiping cloth here. We have the hardware on this one here, some additional hardware. So always appreciated. And we have the Kizer Action for Dreams and Exploration, right? Got some nice stickers there from Kizer. This is an interesting, different sort of warranty. Just a one-pager right there. So that's what's included on this one. All right, we'll go ahead and put that to the side here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the knife itself, right? The Nice Guy. So what's going on with the Nice Guy? So first things first, we got G10 handles going on this one, right? We have recessed liners going on. We have this sort of military green color, right, which is nice. Deep pocket carry clip, that's always appreciated. It is reversible, so lefties rejoice out there. That's nice. Sandwich construction, two standoffs back here. Flipper deployment, and it seems to be flipper deployment only, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get it open here, shall we? Got good jimping on that flipper, and we'll bam, all right? Check it out right there. The Nice Guy, all right? Nice Guy, Azo, right? Is it a collaboration knife? I don't have any details that it's a collaboration knife. So it is a liner lock, okay, on ball bearings, and bam, right? Ball bearings or washers? Might be washers, ball bearings. Future me, go ahead and put it on the screen there, right? Which one it is. Definitely, you know, I'm getting it broken in, right? So first time out of the box. So what do we have going on here as far as the blade goes? We have Nitro V steel. It's nice and oily, so I'm going to give it a nice little wipe here. We got this black coat going on, which definitely adds additional protection to the knife. Nitro V steel, right? Kizer, and a drop point blade with a nice switch here towards the top. All right, looking really, really good. Quite some belly to this one, right? Almost has a little bit of, I want to say recurve, but no, not really. It's a little bit straight belly, and then it goes up, right, to that drop point tip right there. The good news though, ergonomically here, we can hammer grip right behind the flipper, which also works as a finger guard if you want, but you can also forward choke on this guy. There's a nice finger choil section right here to forward choke, so that's good, right? It feels right at home that way. And there's jimping here, but there's also jimping up here, right? It's a little bit smaller, right? But definitely worth, you know, functional, so that's good. And a full flat grind going on, so I bet this thing is going to be super slicey, right? Without a doubt. So let's see, right? Hammer grip feels good. Pocket clip, let's see. Is this similar to the pocket clip on the Amicus? I think so, right? So this is the one of the standard pocket clips for the budget line from Kizer, right? They get the job done. Deep pocket carry. Only wish the bill was a little bit lower. That's about the only thing. but it is reversible. To the other side, there is your lanyard hole there for my lanyard people. And again, the fact that you can forward choke, I feel like it almost feels more comfortable, without a doubt, with that forward choke option right there. Boom. Kizer logo here, as far as billboarding goes, Nitro V steel printed in the corner. And then on the other side, it just says Nice Guy AZO or AZO. So again, liner lock, good access to that liner, by the way. You can see that from this side, right? Good access to the liner. And it's a little bit of a shake shutter, all right, for the most part. It is smack in the middle, actually. So good QC from Kizer right there. This guy is right on the money, smack in the middle. You guys be the judge there. Let me know. Let's do some size comparisons here. There is the Nice Guy, right? Let's do some other folders from Kizer. Here is the Amicus, right? It's a little bit bigger, slightly bigger, very similar sort of geometry, if you would. Here's the other end of the spectrum. There's the Momo, right? That's definitely quite a large one right there. Indeed. The idea here is just to give you a ballpark. And again, all of these are linked down below if you want to check them out, right? I would have linked all these knives down there for you. Let me show you some fixed blades as well. Here is the Kizer Smolt and the Kizer Deckhand, right? Very similar size. So for EDC purpose, right? All of these are going to be a very comfortable size. No doubt, right? Not too big, not too small. What someone will call the sweet balance, size-wise. And we'll do the typical ones here on the channel. There is your PM2 and your Para 3, right? So this guy is a little bit smaller than the Para 3, as you can see. Here's your Demko AD 20.5 and the smaller brother, the Shark Cub. And it's actually very comparable to the Shark Cub, although just a hair smaller, if anything. Take a look at that. Here's the Civivi Vision FG and the Sentinel Strike. These are going to be much larger. Also highly recommendable, EDC nice as well. And last but not least, there is the CJRB Pyrite and the Vosteed Raccoon, right? Take a look at those there for yourself. Again, the idea here is that if you own any of these other knives, right, you have more or less an idea, ballpark, where the knife in question here, the Nice Guy, where this guy lands. So next, let's just do our scientific cutting test, right, as per usual. Very scientific, by the way. So we're going to cut some paper and some cardboard pretty much. So again, this is Nitro V steel, going through that paper like nobody's business. Ooh, okay, we can do a little bit of a zigzag, little curvature cutting in any direction here. And it is doing it just fine. So needless to say, these come very, very sharp out of the box. It has been the experience so far with a lot of these guys from Kizer that I have unboxed recently, if you haven't seen those in the channel. And of course, let's got some cardboard as well. I got some baby wipes box here from Sam's Club. So single wall cardboard, a little bit on the thicker side here. So remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle like this. And again, we're very flat grind. Also, I almost didn't notice this until now. Very, very slim blade, right? That is not a thick blade by any shape, way, or form. Like, that is very, very slim of a blade, to say the least. So yeah, this guy's gonna be a slicer. I got my forward choke position right there. Bam, all right. And boom, boom, bam. Right, these cuts come with sound effects. Yeah, needless to say, it's going to slice pretty good. It's going to cut very nice. Nitro V is going to put in some work right there, which is nice. Go ahead and give it a nice little wipe right here. And the good thing about these black coated blades with Kizer too is even without putting any break-free CLP or anything like that, it's nice and easy to wipe them clean after, you know, some use, which is nice. You guys let me know in the comments, right? How sharp is this guy on a scale from 1 through 10? Of course, 10 being the sharpest, right? You all let me know in the comments. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Nice Guy from Kizer. I believe this is probably more so on their budget end, right? Affordable budget knives. I can totally see that. I'm not entirely sure the price on this one, but again, by the time you're watching this video, it would have been linked down below, right? So if you want to check variants, availability, you know, different prices and stuff like that, then definitely check those links out below. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you and at zero extra cost, right? Guys, you know the drill by now. I'm going to be carrying this guy here for quite some time. I'm going to be trying to gather as much feedback as I possibly can. And then I'm going to be dropping a comprehensive review video here in the channel coming up here soon. This is not a review video. This is just a quick unboxing and first reactions video. So if you got value out of the video so far, definitely smash that like button. It really means a lot to me and it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you like knife EDC content like this on a daily basis, then definitely consider subscribing. I promise you it'll be worth coming back for more. And if you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link down below for Patreon, or you can simply support the channel right here on YouTube by becoming a channel member. You'll get access to exclusive perks. That being said, guys, check out the video right there on your left-hand side for the Amicus, right? Also a budget folder from Kizer, or the video on your right for the behemoth, that is the Momo. Awesome front flipper, extra large knife, very, very sweet. Interesting folder to say the least. So check out the unboxing on that one right there, guys. If you like car content, check me out right here on my car YouTube channel from my earlier days. If you want to see a Miguel face reveal 2024. But if you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.